Now I'm going to show you the cables of this product. This one is the negative cables, battery, ACC, small lights, and the internal cables. This is the reversing back cameras. This tool of cable is the steering controls. Next one is the four of the groups of the various cables. If these candles have the backlight, then it means to the negative. Okay, next one, we are going to show you how to connect and turn on these machines. You need to connect the negative cables. Batteries. The small lights. ACC cables. Then connect the cable's powers. Going to show you how to connect these machines cables. This is the power cables. This is the audio cables. This one is the internal cables. USB cables. Next one is the GPS negative. Okay. Now I will show you how to connect the back cameras. This is all kinds of the back reversing cameras cables. The black one. Then connect the back cables. You must confirm these two have connect each other. Then open the small light. Open the back cameras. Open the applications and steering wheel controls. Begin lens.